Hey everyone, I'm here in Bali, Kuta Beach. I just did my morning jogging and some push-ups and want to make a video on you can know everything but you can still fail. How to avoid that? Because the fact is, knowing is not enough. You can know everything by heart but you still fail. Here's why. I'm gonna reveal that in this video, and if you're in similar situations where you feel like you know what you need to do, or you know how theoretically how things works in your business but you can't make it through in the real life, I'm gonna reveal why and what to do it and how to fix that. So knowledge is only powerful when you use it, when you apply it. The first step is acquiring the knowledge. Like when you don't have the knowledge, you don't know what to do, then the problem is the knowledge. But when you know what to do theoretically, but you're not changing your behaviors according to the knowledge you have, you'll still be where you are and you'll still be struggling. But I have seen it even with, for me, practically, I might know something. That's the first step. But what am I doing with the knowledge? Basically, are you changing your behavior? Are you changing your actions? Are you changing your thoughts? That's when the actual results will show up. Yeah, it's simple, but the question is, are you changing your behavior? And when you learn something new, are you taking action when you're learning something new? It's easier said than done, but if you keep trying, you can actually get it done. Now, you can apply it in any goal you're trying to achieve. In your business goal, in your health goal, in your relationship goal. Yeah, fundamentally, you have a goal you want to achieve, and there's something that you need to do, some action you need to take to achieve that goal. One thing could be you don't know what to do. If that's the case, know what to do. Learn the knowledge. Once you know it, then apply it. It's as simple as that. Yeah, so again, I'm telling you multiple times because it is what it is. If you know everything and do nothing with it, you'll get nothing. But if you know something and implement something as an effect of that, you will make progress. Alright, that's the video for today. Let me know what you think in the comment. Thanks for watching.